everyone. Wait, what? The. What's up, everyone? Ethan here, back with another video. Today I'm with Mario. Bro, why didn't guys? I don't know if he can see me, but why would he do that? Why? I thought we were best friends. Why did he bring you into my house, stealing my Nintendo? I'm gonna turn and play it cool. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Bro, Mario, what are you doing here? Guys, I'm done vlog star, by the way. But what are you doing here? Nintendo, you just came here for my Nintendo. Guys, here, he goes in that chair, and you just hit the fireplace. You can go right there. This is what it's like to be me when I'm playing on Nintendo, but it's uncomfortable on that chair for me. But bro, why is he at my house right now? Like, I thought we were best friends.
Hey, you know I can hear you, right? Yeah.
What do you mean?
Yeah, I heard you.
What?
You said that you would like to play 2-player with me.
Oh yeah. Yeah. I said that. I did say that.
You want to play?
I'm in after like this video.
Oh.
Okay. Do you want some gum? Let me just get it, guys. Mario's gonna attempt the extreme gumball. And right here, I got it for Christmas. There's only one more left. But I'm gonna attempt.
Isn't this for playing or something? I don't know. Cat.
What does it smell like? Oh, gonna pick one flavor, guys.
I know where to find it. I just fell off the cliff and I thought I died.
Guys, let's watch Mario find that T-Rex. Oh, I'm gonna attempt this first. The extreme gumball.
That's good.
I can't do it once like that. Ugh. Found it. Get a nice picture of that. There we go. Yeah, like, it doesn't taste bad, but it doesn't even taste bad. It's just like,
I took a picture for you.
Too big. Thanks. It's too big. And I feel like I'm choking on it. Ooh.
If you stay still, they can't see you. Okay, that's a lie.
Okay, I'm gonna go throw this out. Guys, this is a waste, though. Honestly, but Mario, I'm gonna disappear. Ready? Mario, if I disappear. Hey guys, watch this. Oh, what's up, Peach and Charlotte? What's it? You probably recognize what the name from. up, Bailey? How are you doing? What's up? What's up, Bailey? Are you? Why is your head so wet, dry?
Get down. Lay down. Go sleep.
Hey, Bailey, what's up? Bailey, I'm gonna disappear in 3, and I'm gonna surprise Mario. In 3, 2. Oh, okay. I'll just do it then. 3, 2, 1. Told
Where
you.
did you go?
Oh, I just
Oh yeah, that was being the T-Rex, but it ran out of time, so I couldn't be it anymore.
Yeah, you was being a T-Rex. Is that orange flavor?
I found another one. Yeah.
Oh, they do have flavors. That pink tastes horrible. I mean, not horrible, but I mean, I could eat it, but it's hard to. I actually, my first one actually, I broke it open. I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Cool.
When you're done, you wanna wash your hands more? Oh, you're done. Okay, guys, I'm gonna disappear again. But when I say unpause, you have to scream, "Whoa!" No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, guys, that whole disappearing thing was fake. It was unpaused. I mean, it was, yeah, it was unpaused. I'm gonna throw this out now.
Was it unpaused the whole time?
No, not the whole time, but when I said, when I say unpause scream, that's when. But I'm gonna throw this out. So yeah. Oh, hey, what's up, Bella? Hi. Bella, I'm gonna disappear and come back. Ready?
Ah!
Guys, we're back on Logstar. Yeah, I hate when that happens. I just keep messing the video up.
I will screenshot that for you, Ethan. I will screenshot him.
Yes. Okay.
There we go.
Guys, you want to listen to some music? Yeah, I thought so. Yeah, that's what's up.
Hi.
Just me sitting here, with Mario.
Yeah.
You can see my face right now.
Definitely not playing Super Mario Odyssey and concentrating on a T-Rex right now.
Yeah, I like Vlogstar because yeah, I can do that. But on my normal camera, I can't. But one thing I desperately hate about Vlogstar, flipping lag. Yeah. I mean, it's not lagging now. It's perfectly fine. But yeah.
Thanks for the coin, Mr. T-Rex. Appreciate that.
Guys, that's Fortnite right there. That's the new Fortnite 2019. Fortnite has moons. This is Save the World.
This is Save the World.
Totally not Mario Odyssey. If we just go on that home page, Fortnite, right there.
See?
Yeah, and totally doesn't say you're playing Mario Odyssey right now. It just says Fortnite.
Yes, yeah, I clicked on Fortnite, right?
Yeah, it doesn't say Save the World though. Ew! I put my hand in here and I found something. Let me just. Man. Ew! Look at that.
Oh!
Wait, there's something pink in here. I like going through my couches. What the heck is that pink stuff? That gum I see? There's gum in there. Ew. Ah, that's gum. Like white gum, right? Let me just open it up. Hold on. White. There.
Wait, what does this do?
Ew. Guys, come like, subscribe, everything. You already know what to do.
Like Fortnite saved the world.
But I'm not gonna end it just in case if it won't let me end. Bye, guys. Just in case I can't record anymore because there's a time limit in this. Yeah, there's a time limit, so I can only record up to like 20 minutes or so. Ew. And yeah, let's do this part. It's hard to get in that part for some reason.
Yeah, I know. It's because Bailey and Bella go in that part all the time. They decide to glue it because there's secrets of them in there.
Yeah, let me just. I don't think there's any. Well, this shouldn't really have anything in it because right now it's like a bed, but just move this. You can make it a couch. So if I just pull this open. Here, let me put the camera on. Make it face me. You can turn it that way. Then face it at me. So guys, right now it's a couch, right? But I can do that to make it. I mean, right now, well, it was a bed before. I said it was a couch before. Hand me the camera more. And yeah. Well, yeah, not peas, but comment your favorite board game. Or it doesn't have to be a board game. Any game that's like in one of these boxes. Like
Except
Watch Your
Fortnite.
Mouth.
What's your favorite game except Fortnite?
What's your favorite game except for Fortnite, guys? Minecraft,
Roblox.
and it can be on Xbox, PC, anything.
PlayStation 4. Could be Detroit Become Human.
It can be on a Game Boy.
It can be on a Wii U. It can be on a Nintendo Switch.
Anything. But make sure you tell us like what it is. Like what do you play it on? And what's your favorite game? Yeah. Guys, there's something right here I got for the home and school. I already have it. I unboxed it before, but I already have it. And it's already halfway open.
Flip forward? Yeah, Mario, go ahead. Flip forward. Dang.
I hate home and school. Well, actually, I hate my school. The school's
Look
so
at
bad.
this. Look at this, Ethan. I'm going to flip forward.
I'm gonna get my pinky in there.
You want to see him flip? You want to see Mario flip?
Sure.
Bam.
Oh, damn, that hit hard.
I want to try that.
I'll record it. Wait. Go. I know, I had to learn how to do that for a long time.
Like this?
Yeah.
That wasn't bad.
Guys, I have a squishy also from the home and school. From the same thing. Bella. I'm sorry for the light, Bella.
Dang, I like that. So gaming.
Does it smell good? Oh, she smells that.
That thing.
She smells that. She thinks it's food. This is money.
Money.
Oh, this is my squishy.
Squishy.
Yeah, anytime.
Oh my God, Ethan, you got $100. You never told me.
I totally do. More than 100. That's like a million.
You never told me you had like
I'll share.
$1,000.
I'll share 5,000 with you and Turner.
Look at his face.
No, I'm just kidding. Not you. This guy right here.
You know, Ethan, this is how it makes
Smell
me
it.
feel.
That's good, doesn't it?
Yeah. Money doesn't really smell good, but now it does. These are 2 things you got from home and school, boys.
Yep. And I got another one of those. It just smells good. What does it really? It smells like vanilla. I'm not
Speaking
sure
of
though.
vanilla, I'm gonna go get vanilla pudding.
You do that. Mario's gonna disappear. Ready?
And stop laughing.
Wait. It only works when I do the countdown. Hold on, hold on. It's not clear. Focus! Oh, sorry, Val.
Hey man, why do that?
Okay, it's not focusing, but who cares? Okay, Mario's gonna disappear in 3, 2, 1. Whoa! 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 Bella, did you just see that? Wait, he actually teleported upstairs. Do you not hear that? Bella, I'll be back. Why you leave? I'll be back. Okay, Bella, you're allowed up. Okay, I'll just leave that on. Bro, did you actually teleport? Mm-hmm. How? That is that so? Oh, you want to taste the real mint cookies?
Sure.
The one that actually are Girl Scouts. They have a couple of them. These aren't as crunchy.
It tastes the same though.
Yeah. Except the other one tastes crunchier.
That does taste good.
Yeah. And yeah, there's that one too. Hold on, guys. Yeah, can you something? No, iPhone X. It's a flash when you go in this mode. Like, there's no flash when you go in this mode.
No.
Guys, it's snowing. Oh my god!
Well, it's not gonna last. I don't think.
Look at that!
I don't know. I don't know.
That emergency. I'm eating. Yeah, emergency alert, was not big. Do you see all that snow? Hold on, let me open the front door real quick. He's up.
Go to sleep. I know. Go to sleep. You didn't go to sleep.
Yeah, I mean, like, he's up so I can, like... Oh my god, come on, let's go out for a little... Bro, look at this!
No, it's sleep. It's sleep.
Look at this! Look at this! Look at this! Oh my god! Look at it! Come in! Come in, bro! Look at it! Look at that, bro! Oh my god! Oh my god! That's the best! It's already on the ground!
I know.
It's already on the ground!
Look at that.
It's cold. Lucas, lay down.
Guys, I'm gonna go in my room and look at this. Guys, oh, another one.
What is it?
It's gonna happen at 4. It's gonna happen at... It's gonna happen again later.
Really?
Yeah, come here, look.
Hang on.
Oh my god, it's gonna happen at 4:15.
Can't leave Mario down here by himself.
Let's go in my room, bro. That's the best snowstorm. This is a major snowstorm. My video just ended, but that's fine. It's saved. Guys, look at this. Look at that. The ground's already...
I don't think you're recording.
Look at that. You guys probably can't see that. Go outside. Oh my god.
If you live in Philadelphia, then go look out your window or something. Then look at that.
Oh my god. Guys, this is crazy, but unfortunately I have to go. The limited time video is up. But yeah, peace out, everyone. And yeah, Mario's gonna say bye too. We only have 37 seconds. Say bye, boy. Say bye, boy.
Bye, boy.
And subscribe. And yeah. But look at that, seriously, bro. Have a have a fantastic day. Hopefully you enjoy the snow if you live in Philly. And yeah, peace. Hallelujah. It's snowing. Hallelujah.